Uh, what should I do over outside? A pig? No way, that's a pig. On a plank of wood in the middle of nowhere. What is your name? What is your name, little pig? Excuse me, I'm larger than you. Because I'm a pig, and you're a bird. A small little bird. I'm a pig. Oh yeah, so do you have the eggs? The eggs? Yes, the eggs. Oh, I definitely have them. Oh, I definitely do not have them. I didn't mean I have them. Ew. That's only something somebody with the eggs would say. I might just have one of the eggs. Please, Dobby. Like, what? The what eggs? You have one of the eggs. Yes, please.